Look at this beauty. This is the paratha and we're gonna have it with the egg curry. Hey guys, hope you guys are doing good. Thank you for coming to our channel. Today we are making egg curry, which we also call it in India as egg kasa, or in Bengali egg kosha. So it just looks so yummy. It's so delicious. As you can see, it's made up with onions and then tomatoes and then some other spices. So let me know what you think about this recipe. I mean, do you feel that it's gonna be yummy? I mean, what do you think by seeing the first video about egg curry? Do you like it? Let us know, because we have also given some chilies. As you can see, it has like lots and lots of
smells
spices.
Amazing.
Yeah, smells amazing too.
We have some potatoes as well.
Yeah, some potatoes as well with egg. And it's very common for us to use potatoes in our curries. That's one of the things that we like. I think it's mostly influenced by the British culture, where they like to eat a lot of potato stuff like French fries and stuff like that. We also love eating those. So yeah, I think you're gonna like it. Let us know in the comments if you want the video of this recipe, and then we can share. Just wanted to come to you guys and show you guys quickly how this one looks, and we're gonna have it with paratha. We're gonna show you the final product once we are ready. So look at this beauty. This is the paratha and we're gonna have it with the egg curry. Do let us know guys if you want the video of this. This looks so yummy. I'm gonna head back and start eating, so talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment. See you later.